Okay, Lynn had some questions about what to do with a Google form after the people get done filling it out, and she wanted to put in a submit button and whatnot. Well, I did shoot a video on that, and you can just go right here inside of the group, and you can find the video about how to have your Google form auto redirect on submit. So you don't have to put in a button or anything else. It will just automatically submit after all the questions have been asked. But the other half of her question was about whether you could automatically get an email when somebody submitted a response, and also how to best move that into a Google Sheet. So let me just show you that all of that is actually built right inside of the Google form itself. So you can come in here and you have your responses up here at the top. And so we can click on the responses, and all of them were just me in the past. And one thing you can do is you can go here and you can create a Google Sheet, and you can create a new spreadsheet or select an existing sheet. And we'll see that again here as we click on those three dots. You can select a response destination and you can send it to any one of those. But we can also come in here and we can say we want to get email notifications for new responses. And you would click on that and now set down here, email notification, something. What did it say? Let me see. Let's turn this off. Okay, email notifications disabled. So it must have said it was enabled. Yep, okay. And so you can do that. And then once you set up your destination on your sheets, you can then unlink that form if you wanted to. You can also download as a CSV file. So right in here, you can set up that you want it to have all the responses sent to you, or at least be notified when there is a response. Now, I suspect this is going to go to your Gmail address, and I doubt if there's a way that you can change that inside of here. So it will go to Gmail. So if you don't use Gmail, you'll have to set up some sort of forwarding from that Gmail account to your other account, just so you can see those responses. And then also you can just straight away here save all of your responses straight into a Google Sheet. So I think that answers both of her questions, but it makes it really simple then inside of a Google form, just to be able to get the responses sent to you through an email, and also just to dump them straight away into a Google Sheet. So if you got any questions, just let me know. Have a great day.